Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. First of all, I would like to thank you all for the response that you have showed to my previous video on the diet ideas for recovering from jaundice. Now, I have come up with the second video or part 2 of the same topic. Just wanted to share with you all about the diet I had followed based on the opinion of my gastroenterologist. As you all know, it's not advisable to consume milk and milk products until the patient completely, recovers from jaundice. So I'm going to share with you two milkshake recipes with an ingredient which doesn't contain lactose. So it is suitable for people with lactose intolerance too. Moreover, it is 100% vegan. Yes, almond milk is what I'm talking about. One milkshake recipe with homemade almond milk and the other with store bought one. Now come, let's get started. Now let's see how to make muskmelon milkshake with homemade almond milk. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of almonds. Pour 3 cups of warm water and let them get soaked for 5 to 6 hours in room temperature. If you want to soak for a long time, once they attain room temperature, you can even refrigerate them and soak them. And after 6 hours, remove the skin from them because since we have soaked very well, definitely removing the skin will not be a tedious task. They get removed very easily. Now all the almonds have been deskinned. Transfer them into a blender jar and just take half of the quantity and blend and keep adding water little by little so that they are ground to a smooth paste. Just add about 1 cup of water. All depends upon the consistency of the milk you require. If you want thick milk, you have to add less water. Otherwise, you have to add more water and make it dilute. Now just strain them and transfer the residue into the blender again and blend with some more water so that the residue will be less. So keep on adding water and grinding them so that the residue will be less. Now our yummy and nutritious almond milk is ready. You can see the consistency. Now we've got 500 ml of milk. Now to this add a pinch of salt. This will add taste. We're not going to add any sugar or anything. Now I've taken muskmelon, cut it into half and scoop off the seeds and peel off the skin. You can take any fruit and make milkshake out of it with almond milk. Cut the muskmelon into small pieces. Transfer them into a blender jar and add 2 tablespoons of honey. You can also add brown sugar or even white sugar, but honey is a better option. Blend it to a smooth paste. If you want to add ice cubes, you can add ice cubes now. Now to this add half a cup of almond milk and drop in some ice cubes along with it and add 1/8 cup of water and blend it again. Now a yummy-licious and nutritious lactose-free muskmelon milkshake is ready to be served. If you don't have the time to make almond milk at home, you can use store-bought almond milk also. Now I'm going to make mango milkshake with store-bought almond milk. I've taken 2 Alphonse mangoes. Scoop out the pulp from the mangoes and transfer them into a blender jar. Scoop out this way. To this add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can replace this white sugar with brown sugar or even honey. Now I'm going to use store-bought almond milk. This is unsweetened and unflavored one. It is good for people with diabetes and lactose intolerance people also because it doesn't contain sugar. And take 1/4 cup of almond milk, add to this and add some ice cubes. Blend it well. This doesn't have any flavor, artificial flavor. This is pure almond milk. Now a delicious, flavorful and nutritious mango milkshake is ready to be served. Friends, if you like this video, please hit a like and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you won't miss out my new uploads. Thank you all very much for watching my video. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.